Welcome everyone. In this lecture, we are going to learn what is Forex. The foreign exchange market, which is usually known as Forex or FX, is the largest financial market in the world. It allows to trade one currency against another. Let me give you a good example for you to understand what is Forex. Let us say you live in South Africa. You have a child studying in USA. You need to send the school fees to your child, and the school fees is 10,000 US dollar. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to find out how much is 10,000 US dollar in South African currency, which is rand. On the date that you send the money, it was the 1st of June. The exchange rate was 17.39, meaning that 1 US dollar equal to 17.39 rand. What is an exchange rate? An exchange rate is the unit price of one currency to another. That's the exchange rate. So on the 1st of June, you send the money to your son, and the exchange rate is 17.39 rand. Meaning, if you have to send 10,000 US dollar to your child in USA, it's going to be 173,900 rand. That's what you need to send to your child in USA on 1st of June. Now, your child was busy with test. He decided to go to collect the money after some times on Monday, 8th of June. In that day, the exchange rate dropped, meaning 1 US dollar equal to 16.67 rand. So you can see here, rand get more power and US dollar lose power. Because if it's dropping, it means that rand get power and then US dollar lose power. So that's how it works. So meaning when you give that amount, it's like you buying rand and then you selling US dollar. So if went down, it drop, it means that you make profit. And if it goes higher, it means that you lose. That's how it works. So let me make it simple. So on Monday, your child went to collect the money and the exchange rate is 16.67 rand. You send the money to your child on the 1st of June 2020 at the exchange rate of 17.39, meaning that 10,000 US dollar is going to be equal to 173,900 rand. The child was busy and then the child went to collect the money on 8th of June 2020. That date, the exchange rate is 16.67 rand, meaning that it dropped 1 equal to 16.67 rand. So if you need to collect 10,000 US dollar, it's going to be equal to 167,700 rand. But on 1st of June 2020, in South Africa, they paid 173,900 rand. For 10,000 US dollar, it will cost 166,700, meaning that the child made a profit of 7,200 rand. So that's going to be 431.91 US dollar. So instead of receiving 10,000, the child will receive 10,431.91 US dollar because of the exchange rate. As the exchange rate dropped, the child make profit because when he was paying, the parent was buying rand. So you trade one currency against another. This is just an example how it works in Forex trading. Only a tiny percentage of currency transactions happen in the real economy involving international trade. Like the example I give you to you of the school fees. Only a very tiny percentage. Instead, most of the currency transactions that occur in the global foreign exchange market are bought or sold for speculative reasons. That's why currency traders or forex traders, they are also known as currency speculators. They believe to buy a currency at a lower price with hope they will sell it at the higher price in the future. That's what forex trading is about. More than 5 trillions are traded on average every day. Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, only closing down during the weekend. The day starts when the traders wake up in Auckland, Wellington, then move to Sydney, Singapore, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Frankfurt, London, and finally New York, before trading starts all over again in Wellington. Thank you for watching this, and I will see you to the next lecture. Bye.